Hello friends, I welcome you all to this new video. Today I'm going to talk on Burflex Velocore bike reviews. Well guys, this video will help you decide whether this product is legit or a scam. Also, if you have not purchased this product yet, this unbiased review of mine will help you decide the answer to your question, should I buy this product or not. Also, if you have experienced any fraud over this product, watch our video till end as I'm going to share a way to get your money back. But guys, before sharing the way, let's find out some essential details about the product. Well guys, this is the picture of the product. Here you can see it's a Burflex Velocore bike. Guys, it comes in two different sizes, a 16 inches console and with a 22 inches console. Both the products have different prices guys. This is a leaning mode or stationary mode product. You can use it as in a leaning mode or in the stationary mode. It has a built-in JRNY experience for which you require membership and you can watch your favorite movies and web series. It has different console options. It has a adjustable HD touch screen and for that you require Wi-Fi connection. It is 100% resistance level. It has a Bluetooth for measuring the heart rate, armband included. Also 3LB dumbbells included in that. Moving further guys, here you can see the complete picture of the product. This is the leaning mode and you can also use the product in the stationary mode. Moving further, your board moves and grooves with natural rhythm. You can ride easily with the help of this product, and this is the one kind of product guys, you will not find this product anywhere else. This is an indoor bike that thoughtfully engineered with both leaning mode and stationary mode. Leaning mode help to create a widely immersive riding experience. You'll rock, sway and bend to life down winding roads, tilting gently from side to side as you sprint like banshee toward the finish line. Guys, it's a highly intensity escape that helps to ignite your arms, core and your thrill for epic outdoor adventure, all from your living room only. Here you can see the complete video of the product and how it exactly works. Guys, before moving further and stating all the legitimacy checkpoints, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel as it will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos for your assistance. Well, moving further guys, you will find here that this option helps you choose the riding style. Either you can go for the leaning mode or you can choose the stationary mode. Sprint straight as an arrow in the stationary mode or go unstationary with the leaning mode. You will rock and you will move and flex your way through the curves of scenic destinations around the planet. No matter which mode you choose, you will always feel comfortable, more natural kind of ride that will fit whatever the day's fortune. Moving further guys, here you will find that the JRNY experience will make it a hell of a lot harder to skip this cardio. Guys, you can go for an adaptive workout. The fitter you get, the harder they get. Simple enough it is, and it's the workout plan that fits itself good. Explore the world with the help of this product because you will more feel like a travel like experience and you can go through 40 plus incredible destinations that match your speed. Guys, it's a friendly virtual coaching. Your clever virtual coach has a whimsical way with words. You're gonna like that you hear in the final stretch. Trainer led videos. Now the videos are loaded with loud trainers are a migraine. The trainers breathe new life into the workout by not trying so hard. Sweat it out to 75 plus videos. Guys, you will not find such features in any other product because it is the only this kind of product which is available in the market. You can stream your favorite shows. Guys, a JRNY membership unlocks the ability to bring your Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime videos and Disney Plus account from the adjustable HD screens. All you need is a subscription and You can see all your favorite series here on the screen as it is shown here. Well guys, there are a lot of customer reviews about the product. So guys, I would like to say that this product is 100% legit. It has social media presence along with multiple positive customer reviews who have shared excellent feedback about the product. Guys, I recommend you to buy the product according to your own choice. Either you can go for the 16-inch or the 22-inch console. It depends upon you and your budget. You can here see the different prices of the product. It's $1699.00 to $2199 depending upon the size of the console you buy. Guys, I hope you have enjoyed the video. The product is legit guys, but still, if you have experienced any fraud and you're looking for money back option, please visit the link which is given in our description box. Guys, view the link properly. Please don't forget to comment your thoughts over the video. Like this video. Guys, if you have not subscribed our channel, subscribe it today. Be safe, be informed. Have a nice day, friends. Thank you.